This is a scale model we have made for a client of ours in New Zealand. It is our MEC. ROT is a rotary scalding. Mm, it's an ideal scalding for placing in installations that are already operating, that need to increase production, improve the quality of their plucking through better scalding, and well, it's a very compact piece of equipment that can be easily transported in any 40-foot container, preferably open top high cube. And the peculiarity of this rotary scalder is that it's a scalder that we can install in trad in what are our traditional depilators, which is ideal, or from other manufacturers. This scalder includes the water heating system by steam that you can see here with a proportional steam valve controlled by compressed air. The pigs enter elevated and hanging via an overhead conveyor. They are introduced into the scalding tank in this position, okay? And they are hung on the combs or on the blaze, okay? In this case, this scalding is designed to hang two pigs at a time, okay? In such a way that here we will have two pigs located at the top, all right? And these two pigs positioned here, the scalding will operate step by step. For example, two pigs enter here, they are unhooked, and we move one step. In this position, it would be available for two more pigs to enter. The two pigs that have joined would be in this situation, and we would move forward another step. The initial two pigs would already be in the water, all right? And the scalding process would begin. This scalding is designed so that we can simultaneously have 5 steps of pigs, a total of 10 pigs in the water. Having 10 pigs in the water allows us a production that is quite high for this type of scalding. We can achieve productions of around 150 pigs per hour. Small pigs of about 100, 110 kilos. Now, the production capacity is ultimately conditioned by the scalding time. We can have them between 4 minutes and 6 minutes. If we have them for 4 minutes, we achieve good scalding under normal rearing temperature conditions for the pigs. If the pigs have more hair, tougher hair, or if it's a climate where the pig was raised, let's say difficult with many temperature changes, a cold continental climate, logically, it would be ideal to be able to keep them for up to 5 or 6 minutes, okay? This scalder is powered by this gear motor. The gear motor we have installed is a Bonfilioli gear motor. The peculiarity is that it is a motor that, in addition to having a C4 paint treatment, internally it is wound with the tropicalized characteristic. It means to say that it is specially wound so as not to have any kind of problem due to moisture. The moisture and that will be generated as a consequence of evaporation. The hot water, because of the thermal difference, will presumably cause the steam to rise, and in some way this will reach the motor. With this system, which you can see here, that the pinion drive or is driven by the drum through this chain. Okay, and here are the limit switches that detect the exact position of the pigs at every moment. As you saw earlier, the pigs enter and they come out here. I mean, the pigs, if we move forward to another step, suppose the pig has already reached here, the two pigs arrive here, and the two pigs fall into the dehairing machine so that their dehairing process begins. In a step-by-step process, they access according to the program times, meaning that if in the end, if we allow 40 seconds, well, every 40 seconds, there will be a step, the pigs will be shaved for 40 seconds, and then there will be another step, so more pigs can access both the scalding and the shaver. This machine is completely made of stainless steel, except for the parts of the shafts and the motor, okay? IC 304 is very well finished, okay? And in this case, we have added 2 maintenance doors, which are these doors you can see here, okay? This allows us to clean the more difficult parts since, as you can see here, the accompaniment of the pigs. If we start it up, Jesus, you see that it is very well achieved, right? And at no point would there be any entrapment. Okay, the grating allows for perfect water communication. Okay, and well, all of the lower part is sloped, so that all the water and waste drainage happens here. Here we have the overflow to always maintain the maximum level. The space is prepared for the PT100 sensor, and another maintenance door for the other area from for the machine. And well, this is our machine. In this case, it is going to New Zealand, and well, it is a machine that we hope will mean a lot of improvement for our client and good profitability. And if you have any further requests, you can contact us through our channels. Thank you.